Hey, what is up, guys? Are you looking for a free update to get unlimited entertainment on your Amazon Fire TV stick, Android box, or Superbox? Imagine saving hundreds of dollars a month by getting a complete premium setup for zero cost. In today's video, Tech Vibes is going to show you exactly how to unlock a free premium IPTV login on your device. It is only going to take a few minutes to set up. Hey everyone, Mustafa here. Today I'm going to show you how to access and set up the top 15 secret servers for your high-speed projects. We'll go through the entire configuration step by step so you can get connected in no time. Also, at the end of this video, I will share more secret 15 servers username and password end of this video so you can just copy and paste them safely. Please do not skip any part of this video. Watch the full video until the end, otherwise you will not be able to set everything up perfectly. Step 1 is to download the Downloader app. Move over to the search option on your home screen. Type in the letters DN and select the Downloader app from the list. Click on the icon and download the app to your device. Do not open the application yet. Step 2 is to unlock your hidden developer settings. Press the home button on your remote and navigate to the settings menu. Select My Fire TV and then click on the About section. Click on the main device name line repeatedly until a notification pops up saying you are a developer. Hit the back button once and open the brand new Developer Options menu. Make sure that ADB debugging is turned on. Next, click on Install Unknown Apps and toggle the setting for the Downloader app to on. Step 3 is to access the custom utility page. Go back to your home screen and open the Downloader app. Move your cursor to the URL box and type in the code 298344. Click Next to proceed. This code will automatically redirect you to the official installation page. Scroll down and download the IPTV Smarters Pro application. Once the file downloads, click Install and then click Done. Step 4 is to configure your unknown source permissions for the new app. Press the home button on your remote. Go back into your device settings and select My Fire TV. Open Developer Options and click on Install Unknown Apps. Find the newly installed IPTV Smarters Pro application on the list and toggle it to on. Both Downloader and IPTV Smarters Pro must be turned on. Step 5 is to secure your connection with a private network. You must use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. Open the NordVPN application and log in with your credentials. Click the center button once to connect. This application is crucial because it stops your internet service provider from blocking your video streams. Step 6 is to activate the free login details. Open the IPTV Smarters Pro application. For the account name, enter Kingstream. For the username, type in 5913522260. For the password, enter 4886030982. Click the Enter button to load the system. Move down to the selection screen, work from left to right, and select the second option to load the entertainment index. Give it a few seconds to load properly. To make it extremely easy for you, I have shared 15 servers in the pinned comment and description below this video, so you can just copy and paste them safely. Always keep your security application running silently in the background to ensure a smooth streaming experience. If this video helped you upgrade your entertainment setup, please hit that like button right now. Subscribe to Tech Vibes so you never miss another tech update or step-by-step guide. Make sure to leave a comment below letting me know what you think of this setup, and I will see you all in the next video.